Shalom. Hello everyone. Today I'd like to show you how to write another country, which is Israel. In Chinese, 以色列,以色列,以色列,以色列. So as you may have noticed that in Chinese, we use these three characters to imitate the sound of Israel. 以色列, Israel. So let's see how these three characters are written. So I always think that Israel is an amazing country with its energy and vibrancy, with its historical and religious backgrounds. I'm sure everyone would like to pay a visit. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any suggestions on which countries you would like to show you how to write, please feel free to let me know, and please check out other videos as well. Thank you.